Hi everyone, welcome back to Joe Labs Farms. I hope you're all doing very well. So today I'm going to be updating you on our old bears that are 9 weeks old. In this video, the bears are 9 weeks old. I provided an update to you guys in my previous video where the bears were 3 weeks old, but in this particular video they are 9 weeks old. So looking at the old video where the bears were 3 weeks old and in this video where they are 9 weeks old, you can tell there has been a lot of changes in these bears. Their color has changed completely. Their feathers are out more and they are just healthy. Look at how they are running around. They just can't help themselves. They are so busy pecking their food, drinking their water. They are not giving spaces to any of them. In this video, the bears have been moved from their brooding house to their main place of stay. From the 3 weeks old video, they were still in their brooding house, but in this video they have been moved to their permanent place of stay where they will be staying for the coming months. These bears are looking so good. They are healthy. They've been vaccinated. The farm manager is doing a very good job with these bears. He takes care of them as if they are his children. Yes, he's doing an amazing job with these bears. It is very important to have a farm manager who knows what he's doing, who has the expertise when it comes to poultry farming. And our farm manager is someone who has all this. He's doing all he can for us. So guys, these bears are healthy, and that's the most important thing. From the first day of arrival till now, we have not lost any of these bears. They are all healthy. Nothing has happened to any of them. And this is because of the good work of our farm manager. These bears are 9 weeks old, are just eating, sleeping, which is all they do really, until it's time for them to lay their first eggs. And we can't wait for that day. And I know it won't be long now before this happens. Yes, it won't be long now before they start to give us the first egg, which will be such an exciting time for us. So guys, these bears are always being cared for by the farm manager. From morning till evening, he's there with them. And this is very important, so that if anything happens to any of them, he will be able to isolate that particular bird from the rest of them. So guys, if you look in the old video where the chicks were 3 weeks old, and this video where they are 9 weeks old, you can see that there's been a vast change in them. And we are so excited about this, because the most important thing that every farmer wants is to have no casualties of their bears, considering the amount of money that we invest in their feeding, in their vaccination, the building, the structure, the water system, electricity, the payment of wages. We all want to make sure that we get something out of these bears at the end of the day. So it is extremely important that we find someone who can do this job, especially when we, the owners of the bears, are not in the country but are living abroad. So Guys, enjoy the video. I wanted to show you how the bears are looking now from when they arrived 3 weeks ago till now that they are 9 weeks old. In my next video, I'm going to be updating you and talking to you about the fact that we've had no casualties when the bears are 11 weeks old. I'm going to be telling you about the vaccinations that we've given them so far, how much we spent on their feeding, so that you have an idea on how we're caring for these bears. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe